Hi, good evening, guys. How are you all? Good to see you back. I hope you had a great day. I believe because Bank Nifty has been falling since morning, and also including Nifty. And see, one mantra I keep always talking about is especially in my trade on a daily basis. Generally, index falls about 1 to 1.5% a day. On a very abnormal days, you can see a 2.5% kind of a fall. So today, if you see, Bank Nifty had fallen almost. Let me measure it and show you. Okay, it just opened somewhere at this point, and it fell almost 1.14%. Okay, and Nifty fell around I think 1.9% if I'm not wrong since morning. Uh, yes, it was 1.9%. So generally, what happens is before 11:30, if you see a big fall, which is about 1 to 1.5% kind of fall before 11:30 exactly, I expect a second half reversal in the markets. Sorry, and that's what I could see in the morning, and frankly speaking, I was waiting for a reversal, especially from this point in the morning. So, but I just took a small trade and I was not happy with the bullish side. So I just immediately cut my positions because at that point of time, I was seeing my open interest was completely strong at this juncture, which was at around 51,300, especially in the open interest. It was very strong in this place. So then what happened was, this 51,300 was comfortably it was broken, and I could see a very strong fall, especially in the Bank Nifty. Okay, and that too, the fall was not so great convincing, I would say, because uh, the fall uh, when 51,000 broke, I could see only a single candle drop, which means there is no much of selling pressure left in the market to take the index down further. So I was not convinced with this fall, and I was just keeping quiet. And also my indicator, gave me a very clear cut indication saying that, boss, you don't go for a short trade because there is no space on the downside. Now, if you look at that, when this candle drop came, which was a 0.2% candle drop, okay, this candle, you see, it's a 0.12% candle. That is what is mentioned over here. Even though I could see some 8,000 crores, 9,000 crores, 9,800 crores, the selling volume, uh, this particular candle was like a weapon candle for me, which is a 0.12% candle. After this candle fall, I'm sure most of the retailers would have jumped into this and saying that no, yes, market is going to go further down. But sorry, I was not at all convinced with this fall because my RSI was especially this particular indicator was saying was you don't go for a short trade because it has already reached around 17%, which means there's no space left for me to go down. So it has to bounce back. So that is what I was waiting for, and I was waiting for a long trade, and it's a reversal trade basically I was expecting, and which is I've been waiting for quite some time now, and almost like 1:30. Okay, I was expecting the institution to come in. Normally what happens is mornings retailers jump in, okay, but the pro traders and the retailers, I mean the institutions and the DIs, okay, they jump into the market only after 1:30 in the markets. So which means after 1:30 I was expecting a reversal trade, and it happened actually. If you look at, you see this crossover at this point, there's one first indication was my this crossover, okay, and the second indication, this crossover came in the Bank Nifty. But whereas I didn't trade in Bank Nifty today, instead of that I was looking at Nifty, because I you you see this -7% away. Generally what indicates that is, it indicates what is the distance between the moving average of this particular moving average and the price. This was, I'll show you a small replay, okay, so that you would understand it much better. uh, Hold on, guys, hold on. I'm just trying to show you something interesting. Yes, okay. When this happened, you see, what happened was, you see, it's minus 12%, correct? So whereas, what was the time at that point of time? It was 11:30. It was minus 12%. Whereas if you look at Nifty, it was minus 17%, which means the probability of market reversal in a particular index is much higher in Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty. So I opted for Nifty over here. Then I jumped into Nifty instead of trading in Bank Nifty, because when a index reverses, the reversal in Bank Nifty might not be so strong as compared to Nifty reversal, because of this percentage, which gave me a very strong indication. Hey, my dear Balaji, don't go for a uh, Bank Nifty trade. Instead, you go for Nifty. So it's not just blindly take a trade, guys. No, it is all about a very meticulous planning is required, and at the same time, you need to have some sort of a clear dashboards and the indicators which can probably help you, so that you can pump in some good quantities in a particular trade. So here I was very confident. And yes, of course, this reversal came in immediately as soon as this crossover came. Generally, whenever I get a crossover over here, okay, I don't take an immediate trade. Rather, I would wait for a small retracements. So I saw a 0.13% candle, which means whoever is probably shorted over here, they have covered their shots. So which means there is no much of steam left in the market to take it downside. So this is what is my indicator indicated that not to go for downside. And yes, I was waiting till one almost like 12:31 and 1:15 it went on. It was testing my patience. Yes, at 1:30 I saw a small reversal and a crossover over here. You see this crossover? Yes, at this point. There was a crossover on the downside, but I was pretty not comfortable because there was no space to go down. Markets cannot go down because it is already at 17%. And now if you look at it's 18%, I saw a reversal on the upside, which means I was very comfortable. So I took a trade over here at around 140 something. I took a Nifty put option trade, short, put short. I took a put short here. Yes, you see the orders. Okay, and around yeah, somewhere at around 140 I took a trade, and I could able to book some decent profits. This is my small account. Okay, I have a bigger account which I'm not revealing that, guys, so that um, so this small trade which I could able to take it, and I could able to book at this particular uh, line. I'm sorry, I'll show you this. Yeah, this particular, yeah. So I could able to book it over here, and also I could have waited for some more time, which is around 24,000 is a round figure again. Okay, I could have waited there so that I could have booked maximum bigger profits over there, but I was not comfortable, and I was like fine for the kind of profit which I had taken for the day. Okay, so that's what is the trade logic which I have taken today, and so I have showed my uh, logic which I have taken, and I'm just sharing you what I had taken a 50,000, 24,200 put option, and short, which I shorted around some 396 average approximately. Now it is trading at 307 something. It closed at 307, and I hedged with the 23,500 put option, which I took it around some 78. So I took a buy here and I took a short here. So it is a short put option trades. Okay. So thank you, guys. This is what for the day, and if you guys are really excited to understand the trade setups, yes, do comment and know, so that now I will probably share you if you have any doubts on this particular setups or logics, or on the overall dashboard which I've been operating with. I have two dashboards which is created. One is for Nifty and another one is for Bank Nifty. So these are the two dashboards. These are again customized dashboard, which is completely, it will give you a clear cut indication whether the market is bullish or whether market is bearish or whether market is in a sideways zone. So you don't need to go hunt around for whether market is in what direction, because generally you want to know market is trading in which direction, which is where people generally get trapped. If you look at in my dashboard especially, you will get a very clear clarity, very good clarity on market is in trading and in which direction basically. Okay, so now after, even though it was trading in a negative, overall trend was bearish for me in Nifty in the morning, but I could saw a reversal, especially that indicator which has helped me. So it is all a permutation combination which you need to see the dashboard, which is open interest dashboard, and at the same time you should also see the chart indicators which has been designed, so that you can able to pick the right trades for the day. Okay, and thank you guys, thank you so much, thanks for watching my channel, and do subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please mention it in the comments, and um, I'll clarify your doubts, and sure, we will catch up on the next trade, guys. Thank you so much, take care, bye bye.